Hello, Traci Ruiz at Traci Ruiz Consultants. Excited to be here tonight in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Thank you to our gracious hosts, Thornapple Covenant Church and Kimberly Corpack. I have a special guest tonight here with us by the name of Julia Green. She was one of the class participants, and it's exciting to talk to people after the fact and watch the transformation unfold within a couple of hours. Some of the women come in insecure. Some just need a little self-reassurance. Some already feel really powerful and strong, and they enjoy punching on the pads and learning some of the safety skills. And then there's a variety or a host, I'm told, of feelings as people walk into this class of unknowns. They're really not sure what to expect when they get there, but it'll be exciting to talk to Julia Green and hear what she has to say about the class. So thank you all for watching and joining us.
I saw it on Facebook, and it was, it just moved me. My sister-in-law, she invited me to come, and so I went, and it's a great experience. Made you feel comfortable and relaxed, and she's got a lot of energy, makes you feel already pumped up and ready to go. It was all women. What did I like about it? It's just energizing, and you just learn a lot. So when you leave, you feel more empowered to get out there and defend yourself. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. It'd be really beneficial to them. And especially the tribe that I came from, which is in Mount Pleasant, Saginaw Indian Chippewa tribe. And the women up there would just love for you to go up there and teach them all these skills and moves and the way that they can protect themselves. It would be very good.
Thank you for joining us this evening. Again, this is Traci Ruiz at TraciRuizConsultants.com. If you would like to get in touch with us, you're more than welcome to visit us on the web, TraciRuizConsultants.com, or you can email at Traci at TraciRuizConsultants.com, or by phone at area code 248-494-8501. Again, that's all coming to you from Grand Rapids, Michigan. Take care. And remember, stay safe.